Freelander second, 3.2 petrol, gearbox oil change, 10 years. First, remove the air filter and let's see, use Tox 52, Tox driver 55 to remove the refill plug. Refill plug. Is the refill plug. Tox 55. And raise the vehicle and remove the oil level plug. Remove it in the center of drain plug. Tox. This one is Tox. This one is Tox. T40. Tox plug. T40. That's for the level plug. The outside the level plug is the drain plug, like this. Need the 17mm nuts. I made this tool. I just happen to have this guy, 17mm, so I put it inside there. So get it out. That is the drain, still dripping. That's 17mm nut to drive it out. That's a drain plug. The center is the level plug. Install the drain plug back. Do not install the level plug. Then lower the vehicle. Fill the new fluid in until the fluid dripping from the level plug in the middle, that hole. That means it's full. So now I'm going to put new fluid. Put a new fluid in that hole. In that hole under there. That's oil filling hole. And set up something to fill. Use a syringe, big syringe, and a tube to fill the stuff in. Fill the gearbox oil in. The old oil is black, totally black. Fill in the new fluid until it's running from the level plug. That means it's enough. Then put level plug on, fasten it, then put extra half liter in. Not good focus. After filling half liter of the oil, I put the filler plug back in and install the air filter